Hello, this is Garrett.
Hello.
Say hi.
Hello.
So, were you in the building?
Yes,
when this
I was
happened?
in the
So,
building.
can we get some context?
So I was just sitting down, playing my video game or whatever, and all of a sudden just started going off, I don't even know how it happened.
Subscribe to Peyton's Fire Alarms. This is the best channel ever.
Bag it into the room.
What a weird way to start school. Yeah.
Okay, so for context here, I was on the bus when this happened. When we were pulling up to my school, I heard the outdoor fire alarm going off, so I immediately whipped out my phone and started recording. I've been hearing from teachers and students that someone has pulled it, but I'm not 100% sure. So I'll try to find more info on that, but I will also post the full video in a little bit. But yeah, that's going to be it. Thanks for watching.